But, you know, we'll do what
Hey,
we
do you
can.
want to do Spencer's song?
It's not great, but it's close enough.
You want to do Spencer's song?
Yeah, we'll do it in a second. At first, I want to say cheers to Spencer. Thanks for having us. Everybody give it up to Spencer.
Honestly,
He's getting married. That's fun. I'm about to grind on you, too. That's part of this whole thing.
Honestly,
In the meantime, but we are, this is a, I'm sorry. No, stop, you're spilling it. This is a big celebration for these guys. Spencer really fucking lucked out and like swung way out of his league and he nailed it, and I'm very impressed, and I'm proud of you. Kat, I'm glad she's not here because God forbid, run, girl. Please go.
Run!
Run while you have a chance. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. You're sweating.
Oh, that's yes, baby.
You're here anyway. All right. So I just want to cheers everybody, to you guys and to them and to us, and like we're having a fantastic time. We're glad to play. So we're gonna waste a bunch of time for you guys, but we're gonna drink these shots that Misha got us. That tastes like medicine. I don't know what that was. My guitar is so wet with alcohol. I don't even know what that is.
Alright, we're gonna do a couple, maybe one more original if you guys are cool with it, and then maybe another cover. We might sprinkle it in.
I hope you got that. That's good. That's a new profile pic right there.
You wanna do the song that has me blowing up like a whole firework in my backyard? Hey, do you guys like blowing shit up? Alright. Look up this song. There's a video of me almost dying. Alright, you guys want to do fast or slow? Fast? Fast? Hey, have you guys ever been like really mad at the government? Alright, do it now. Be mad. Be very mad.
Solutions from climate pollution and where you
will go.